Good morning for this Tuesday, December 3rd. For today's free video, we are talking about Salesforce.com. If you recall, we talked about this yesterday. Has not set up yet. We're definitely in a sweet spot right now. We are in the gray action zone right in here, as you can see. Okay, and yesterday did turn out to be that inside bar. Okay, the market was not able to penetrate up through Friday's high or down through Friday's low, as you can see. So the market's really consolidated in here. We created an inside pattern here. We were never able to take out that high. We made a lower high, lower low, and then Friday, lower high, lower low, and then finally yesterday, as you can see right in here, we're starting to consolidate. So I am looking to buy this market if the market is able to penetrate up through yesterday's high. Yesterday's high is 52.29, so I'm looking to buy this at 52.39 if the market's able to stage a rally today. Okay, so far we have a lower high and a lower low, and today's low so far at 51.04 is just 5 cents above Friday's low. Okay, so again, we're in a sweet spot right here. So I'm looking for the market to potentially move higher from here. As you can see, I also measured the Fibonacci retracements from this low down in here, right? From the low of the green bars right here, right there. So from when the trend changed from down to up right in here, I measured from that low up to this highest high right in here. And as you can see, the 38.2% retracement is right in here. So we are trading below that right now, but we're trading above the 50% right in here. So again, this area should act as support, but instead of just automatically buying it, looking for that bounce, I'm going to wait for the market to penetrate up through 52.39. So I'm going to watch. I'm going to leave this on my watch list right now, and I have got a resting buy stop at 52.39. Let's take a look at another market that was a great trade yesterday, and I'm still long this, even though it hit my profit targets. This is in the stock QIHU, QIHU 360 Technology, QIHU. All right, this is a perfect example of everything I talk about. I mean, let's take a look at this. Okay, look at the 3 consecutive inside patterns we had here. First one being right here, right, number 1. The second inside pattern was right here, right, number 2. And then on Friday, we had another inside pattern. So I'm looking at this chart going, okay, this is too perfect of a setup. Okay, so I obviously, I like to go to Zacks.com, ZACKS.com. I hit earnings. I want to see if the market's got any earnings reports, right? Because for a market to consolidate like this, having 3 consecutive inside patterns in a row is just, you don't see that very often. So I thought maybe there'd be some earnings. So there wasn't any. So yesterday it was just a great trade. Went long this market as it took out Friday's high. 83.01 was the buy. Okay, very, very small stop. I mean, take a look at the ATR, the average true range down here. The average true range of the last 21 days is $4.50. Okay, well, my initial stop on this trade was 81.10. So I was risking $1.91. That's it, $1.91 on this. Look at this. My first profit target was actually hit today, which is 85.25. Okay, 85.25. Made 224 on that portion of the trade today. The second profit objective was 85.81. 85.81. That second profit objective was $2.80. Not bad, right? And look at it. right now 86.27. Let's refresh it. 86.05. Today's high is 86.35. So far the market's really moved up. So again, just a good example. I mean, as you can see, most of the videos that I do put together, I'm showing you these patterns. Now, I've got tons of other trades that I do, other setups, but this is the one setup that I think you can take and learn from and apply in your trading immediately. I mean, take a look at this chart. Just on these little patterns, you had an inside pattern here, down into the support zone, market popped up nicely, came down, retested this low here, created another inside pattern. Once it broke up through that high, look at that rally up to this high, came down. This low here is slightly higher than this low, and then 3 in a row. So actually, what I did was I took a portion of my trade off at that first profit target, took a portion off at the second profit target at 85.81, and I'm actually still long this market right now. Now my trailing stop is actually below today's low. I mean, if you look at today's range, 83.96, 86.35, 34.5. So we've moved about 2.5 points today, right, from low to high, right? Low to high, it's moved 2.5 points. The average true range is 4.5 points, which is telling me that we've got another 2 points to move today. Okay, two points to really hit that average true range of 455. So this market could continue going higher and extend that range up by taking out the highs, or of course we could take out the lows. So what I've decided to do is I move my stop up to below today's low, and just wanted to show you that trade. And again, looking for that CRM trade. Don't know if that'll get hit or not today. I'm guessing that it probably won't, but nonetheless, there's a potential trade set up here. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Again, take a look at those inside vertical bars. They've got to be at logical support levels in an established uptrend and vice versa in a downtrend. Okay? And if you've got any questions, let me know. Have a profitable day. Bye for now.